Hello, my name is Marine Maxi, and I'm so happy and excited to be with you today because from now on, my goal is to contribute to the safety culture. Safety. Safety is very important to each one of us because you are valuable and we do care for your safety. Qatar Airways has safety as its highest priority. As stated by the Chief, Qatar Airways is committed to the establishment and development of a company-wide safety, security and quality management system. It's our aim to integrate safety and quality principles into everything we do. In the workplace, everybody has the right to be safe. Good health and safety standards rely on employers and employees working together to reduce workplace hazards and risks and prevent incidents and property damage arising from the work activities. But for safety to exist, we need to feel responsible towards that. We believe that all injuries are preventable and therefore we aim for a zero-harm environment for all staff and visitors. Now let me ask you, whose safety are we responsible for? It's everyone's safety. And if we think, whose responsibility is it to make things safer? It will be my responsibility. Let us start with ourselves. Because it will only work if we all participate. And to demonstrate your commitment, you should get involved in health and safety issues, invest time and money in health and safety, and ensure health and safety responsibilities are clearly understood. Occupational health and safety are all the factors and conditions that affect health and safety or could affect health and safety in the workplace. It's not just about accidents, it's about creating a work environment that is safe from all forms of harm. Now, why is occupational health and safety important? As members of a society, regardless of race, religion, socioeconomic status, we are all bound by a moral code to not cause harm to others. We are expected to work and go back home to our families safely. Also, as members within a society, we are protected and obligated based on rules and convention. We have a duty of care not to harm those who we are responsible for, and this extends to the company. Also, we need to remember that there is a cost associated with every accident. When looking at accidents, it's important that we understand that there are expenses that the company anticipates and expects to pay, referred to as direct cost. However, there are also expenses that are not always foreseen or included in an accident, and these are referred to as indirect or hidden costs. Let's start with the direct costs. Direct costs are those coming from the injured workers, which is lost time, compensation, medical expenses, or those coming from the company as equipment's damage, court fines, or insurance. As for the other expenses that occur but are not easily traceable, those are what we call indirect costs, and they highly affect time for both workers and managers, production, moral, as well as business reputation. Unsafe conditions exist in every workplace, but we sometimes do not see them because that's how we have always done it, or nobody got hurt, or even as it's quicker to do it that way. Let's initiate having a safety culture. Let's do it and be the change.
Created using Powtoon.